Mm.
Let me just have a moment. A moment. We have like children and children have nerves. A moment, if you will.
Hello everyone, this is Always Kitty Bongtong here with another video.
But this time you can hear my voice for like the first time.
And maybe, just maybe, you'll be able to see my face in the future, but
I'm not so sure about that one yet.
So I got a lot of requests to make a tutorial on how to do Omegle pranks. It's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is download a virtual cam and disable your normal camera on your device. So first of all, before you download a virtual camera, what I do is I go under Device Manager in my Windows laptop, and under Cameras, you will find your normal camera. Mine is named AV Stream Camera. You right click on it and disable device. My device is already disabled because I didn't really end up enabling my device after my last Omegle video because I never had to use my normal camera on my computer yet. But if you want to enable your device again, all you have to do is click enable device and it'll enable it. Once you download your virtual cam, you will find it under imaging devices. Mine is here, ManyCam virtual webcam. That's the virtual cam that a lot of people use on Omegle. When you see those fake videos, they usually have the bot versions. I don't have the bot version because it's too expensive for me. So I have the free version. I would suggest though that it's best to get the upgraded version if you want to use Omegle a lot to do pranks. I'm kind of thinking about getting the upgraded version because I might be doing more Omegle pranks. Hint, hint. Also, guys, if there are any Omegle pranks that you want me to do, I don't just do BTS. I can do any other group that you want me to do. I can do Blackpink. I can do GOT7. I can do any group that you want. I can even do Oli London. Somehow find a video of him. Yeah. And see ARMY's reactions. That would actually be really funny. Yeah, imagine running into Jimin on there. Like, actual Jimin. And then Oli London meets the actual Jimin. That would actually be really funny. So anyway, once you get into ManyCam, you will see this. This is in the free version. In the free version, there's not much you can do. You can't like crop the video, but you can bring in a video. So for this one, I'm gonna show you what to do with this one. In order to bring in a video, you would just go to the internet first and download whatever video you want to download. And usually I do that by going onto YouTube, copying the link and then pasting it in Y2Mate. I use this all the time to download videos and audio. And then once you have this, you can go into ManyCam and upload your video, whatever video it is. And then once you upload that, if your video has a watermark, like this VLive here, or any subtitles, I suggest that you go up to the zoom and like zoom in so that those things are covered, because if those things aren't covered, it's just gonna give it away like right away. I mean, mine kind of gives it away a little bit because it's with the free version. Sorry about that noise. It's kind of noisy outside. So anyway, with the free version, you're kind of stuck with this Manycam, watermark, which can kind of give it away very easily. But I mean, it also depends on like what videos you have and how they relate to the audience, kind of thing. If you have a video of them that's just kind of, them just staring at the screen and not doing anything, then it's not going to be very believable. So yeah, that's another thing. Make sure you download a video that's a bit believable, So that's pretty much it. If you want to crop your video or do anything with your video, I would suggest going into like Premiere Pro or something, or just a video editing software, and just, crop the video or cut down the video to the parts of the video that you only want. I know from experience though, like sometimes, or it might just be my computer, sometimes it's just slower when you tend to do that. It kind of buffers a little bit, which also isn't very believable. But I mean, if you think about the whole thing, it's more about bringing a smile on people's faces, they've had a bad day, and kind of seeing the smile on their face and them saying how
amazing it was and how it brought their day to a good end and stuff. It's really nice to hear that.
So in the end, that's pretty much what it's for. It's for laughs, it's for smiles,
It's a prank. It's not real.
And most people, they figure that out pretty easily, but lots of times, if they're good people, they appreciate it. So that's pretty much it for this video. This video was very simple because it's very straight to the point, and I hope that it's easy for you to do these pranks too, because they're actually
really fun.
If there are any questions, any video ideas,
make sure to put those in the comments so I am aware of them.
Because after all, yeah, I like making videos that you guys like. Make sure to like and to subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And that will be it.